I've been thinking about you all day long. Mood is on repeat of our favorite song. You've been waiting, I can see it in your eyes. Let's take our time, make tonight a slow grind. The record's playing, let the rhythm ride. You take my hand and pull me deeper inside. Ain't no place I'd rather be than moving slow with you and me. I feel your body all over my skin. Every stroke glides you back in. No rush, steady, let's take our time. Every breath in sync with mine. Let's slow dance in between the sheets. Your hands on every part of my body. Come closer, hold me. Tonight's romance, so come on, daddy. Let's slow dance. Your hands travel where my heart resides. Got me floating, can't fight what's mine. You whisper soft, my words are clear. I can